Facing connection issues with your AirPods and iPhone? Don't worry, it's super easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the problem step by step. Whether it's a low battery, software glitch, or a simple issue with your AirPods, these troubleshooting tips will help you get things working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Try the basics. If you can't connect, put the AirPods in their case and close the lid. Wait for 15 seconds. In the meanwhile, force restart your iPhone. To force restart, press the volume up button and the volume down button. Right after that, press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone to restart. Once it restarts, reopen the lid of your AirPod and try to reconnect. Solution 2. Reset your AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you'll need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time, it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app, tap Bluetooth on My Devices, then tap the eye icon next to it and forget the device. Once it's forgotten, try to connect the AirPods and see if it works. Hopefully this time your problem should be fixed. That's all for today, guys. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching.